Americans that have a Medicare supplement still have the old Plan F. New people that are aging into Medicare after January 1st of 2020 were not eligible to buy that Plan F. That creates a lot of problems for people that are on the Plan F because no new healthy people, healthy good blood, no claims, can come into your plan. So with most carriers, that means that your rates are going to start to reflect the people that are on your plan, and they're just getting older and sicker. Not to be depressing, but that's what happens. And so if you're on an old plan, those rates are going to reflect the health of the people that are on that and the fact that there's no new healthy people, which means your rates are going to go up much higher than the people that fled F, that had a good agent, and moved to a Plan G or a Plan N if you're on the Medicare Supplement side, or they moved over to the Med Advantage. And some of you will say, I did take a pretty big increase in 2020. Hey baby, you ain't seen nothing yet. 2021 is going to be a lot higher. 2022 is going to hurt even more. That's not going to get better. It's not going to slow down. If you're on an old plan, you're just going to keep taking the hits. Now, if your health doesn't allow you to move because you have to be able to pass the health underwriting questions, then you can't move to a different Medicare supplement plan. You can't get that same plan at a lower price. You might have to consider Medicare Advantage. And if you're like, I don't want Medicare Advantage, maybe you don't want it now, but let me explain to you how it works. Watch some of our other videos in our library, because you're going to keep getting these rate increases. So don't be married to the fact that you're in Medicare Advantage or you're in a PPO or whatever you're in a Plan F or a Plan G. Don't be married to that. Let us help you stretch your budget so that you can continue to live well, because these prices are not going to stabilize. So when you get those rate increases, and they're coming, a lot of them start January, between the first quarter, you'll see a lot of rate increases. When you get that shock, call us. We can just do a quick comparison on the phone, see if we can save you money, see if you qualify to get the exact same plan at a cheaper price, or talk to us about other options. My family here at the Medicare Family would love and be honored to help your family.